That's what you get for underestimating a woman.
You'll kill the three-headed dragon and return his brain to me. That is an order.
Hey, you little fiend. Bring me back that rascal blower, or I'll get you.
Oh, you poor thing. You thought you could just come in here and kill me with that rusty little dagger?
Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. Who's not gonna let anyone make me go extinct? Not you? Or you? Or you. Ouch.
Ha! Bulletproof vest? You really think that's gonna protect you? Let's see. Well, we can't all be heroes, but you were destined for greatness, son.